Hello everybody, welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I will show you how to make game full screen in Windows 10, so you can enjoy your games without any distractions. Step 1. Right-click the game's shortcut or the main executable file and select Properties. This will open a window where you can access various settings for the game, and it is important because it allows you to adjust compatibility options to improve performance. Step 2. Go to the Compatibility tab and click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. This tool helps Windows identify any issues that might prevent the game from running properly in full screen, and it automatically suggests the best settings for your system. Step 3. Apply any suggested changes from the troubleshooter and then run the game. This ensures that your game launches with the recommended settings, allowing it to open in full screen without any problems, giving you a better gaming experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.